Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to download the Binance app on your PC. To get started, open up any web browser you prefer. Once you have your browser open, it's time to navigate to the Binance website. In the address bar, type in Binance.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the official Binance website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see several options. Hover your mouse over the downward arrow icon and click on More Download Options. Now scroll down until you reach a section titled Download Binance for Desktop. You should see a button labeled Windows. Click on it to start downloading. The file named bindancetub.exe will begin downloading onto your Windows desktop or laptop. Wait for this process to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to where it was saved, typically in your Downloads folder or directly on your desktop, and double-click on Vine and set up the exe to run it. A language selection window will appear. Choose your preferred language and click OK. Next, you'll have an option to change the installation location if desired. However, leaving it at its default setting is perfectly fine. Click Install when ready. The installation process will begin now. Just sit back and wait for it to finish. Once completed, you'll see a prompt that says Finish. Click this button. Congratulations, the Binance app is now installed on your PC. You can also find its icon on your desktop. Double-click it to open. Now it's time to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow their easy sign-up process. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.